In this crash course on making money online, we will provide you with essential tips and strategies to help you succeed in the digital world. Whether you're a beginner or already into online business, these insights will give you a competitive edge. The first step in making money online is selecting the right platform for your venture. We will discuss various options like e-commerce websites, freelancing platforms, affiliate marketing, and more. Exploring their advantages and disadvantages will help you make an informed decision. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for success in the digital landscape. We will guide you through the process of creating a website, optimizing it for search engines, and leveraging social media platforms for maximum exposure. These techniques will attract more visitors and potential customers. Next, we will explore various monetization options available online. From advertising and sponsored content to selling products or services, we will unpack the pros and cons of each method. You will gain insights on how to generate a sustainable income from your online venture. To make money online, it's important to understand the fundamentals of online marketing. We will cover topics like SEO, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. These techniques will help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. In the final segment, we will share valuable tips and strategies for online success. These include staying consistent, building a loyal customer base, networking with other professionals, and continuously improving your skills. Implementing these practices will take your online business to new heights.